So good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Today we are here on the chapter rational number and we are discussing the comet portion of it. I would request you all to note down each and everything what I am teaching today. Okay? Because maybe I'll change some of the questions also from this comet. Okay? Question number 2 is asking from us that you have to answer the following. You have been given 3 rational numbers and you have to add all. So here the numbers, I will not be doing this one. I am just writing and I'll explain this. We have first rational number as 3 by 5. We have second rational number as 0. We have third rational number as minus 7 by 5. So सबसे पहले तो you are knowing 0 को लिखे या ना लिखे, that is like we can cancel it because 0 add भी करोगे तब भी वही आएगा. So we can simply go ahead with these two numbers, that is 3 by 5 plus minus 7 by 5, and you are knowing both are like rational numbers, you can call it. So answer will come directly. You tell me what will be the answer. Minus 4 by 5, direct answer, you can simply write it down. So this is the first answer for the first question which we have discussed right now. So the answer would be minus 4 by 5. Students, in question number 3, we have to solve this one as a ascending and descending order both. ठीक है? So ascending करना हो या descending करना हो, it's like a comparison. ठीक है? Because you have to select that which one will be the smaller one, then उससे बड़ा, then उससे बड़ा. ठीक है? Ascending, descending. So for what you will do, you are knowing the process is only possible when you have the same denominator, and here you have unequal denominators. ठीक है? So सबसे पहला work you do LCM. I want all of you to do LCM of these numbers. 4, 12, 16 and 24. Till you will take out the LCM, I would convert them in स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म फर्स्ट. ठीक है? जब तक आप एलसीएम निकाल रहे हैं तब तक मैं इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखती हूँ. ठीक है? सो दिस वुड बी minus 3 by 4 as it is. Denominator cannot be negative, so it would be minus 5 by 12. Minus 7 by 16 is already okay, and this will come up, so it will give you here minus 9 by 24. ठीक है? So all negative signs I have taken up because denominator cannot be negative. ठीक है? Now LCM take out and tell me what are you getting as LCM? 48. 48? Okay. So everybody is getting the LCM as 48. Now you are knowing the process. नीचे divide, ऊपर multiply, which will be for making common denominators. Let's try this. 8 and 4 and 48. 12. 12 3s are 36. First number will be minus 36. 12 and 48, what will come? 4, 4 and 5, 20. 4 5s are 20, so minus 20. Move on to the next one. 16 and 48, 3s are, and 7 3s are 21, so minus 21. ठीक है? Last number, 24, 48, 2 and 9 2s are 18. ठीक है? ये आ गए हमारे पास numbers. Now you must be knowing the process. If you are writing in ascending, I'm talking about first ascending. Ascending में what we do? Smaller to bigger. और smaller to bigger अगर हम बात करें तो यहाँ सारे negative number हैं, which will make our question more easy. ठीक है? Yes. सबसे बड़ा will become सबसे छोटा and सबसे छोटा will become सबसे बड़ा. ठीक है? So for that you will be having this one small. सबसे छोटा वाला number will become minus 36. Then minus 21, then minus 20, and then minus 18. By 48, by 48, by 48, and by 48. ठीक है? And you are knowing minus 36 came from minus 3 by 4. Minus 21 came from minus 7 by 16. Minus 20 came from minus 5 by 12. And minus 18 came from minus 9 by 24. This is the answer in ascending. And you are knowing we need descending also. So descending means just rotate the answer. Rotate the answer means the first one will become the last one and the last one will become the first one. Change the order only. So we will have this answer. Minus 9 by 24, minus 5 by 12, minus 7 by 16, and minus 3 by 4, which will be in descending order. So this both are completed. Both the questions and both the process are completed of ascending and descending. Now, who has already done that, they can note down the question which I am speaking right now. How many rational number can we find between any two rational number? This you tell me. Infinite. Okay? You are knowing, we have discussed that day also, that between two numbers you can find out infinite rational numbers. Okay? Yes. Yes, infinite as well. Now the question is, find 5 rational number between 1 and 2. I am giving you 2 minutes of time. Start doing. I have taught last day only. 1 and 2 are the rational numbers. You have to find out 5 rational numbers between them. I gave you 2 numbers, 1 and 2. For understanding this process more in a better way, you can watch recording because this I have already taught. Okay? I am just taking in a normal way. Denominator is not there, so we will have denominator as 1 because there is no denominator only in these rational numbers. Now simply to make the denominator equal, already they are equal, but you have to find out the numbers in between, and 1 और 2 के बीच में there is no number. ठीक है अभी right now के लिए. So we will have simply multiplication with 10. Why I am multiplying with only 10? Because I need only 5 rational numbers in between. If you want more numbers, you can multiply by even 100, 1000, 10,000, 200, 40, 60, जिससे आपका मन करे. ठीक है? 2 से जब मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो यू विल फाइंड ओनली 1 रेशनल नंबर इन बिटवीन. ठीक है? जिस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो उससे एक कम रेशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. ठीक है? अगर आपने 10 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 9 रेशनल नंबर निकलेंगे. ठीक है? तो अगर आपको 5 चाहिए तो 10 इज इनफ. But if you want more numbers, so then you can multiply by 100, 1000, whatever you want for. Okay? Now this will give you 10 by 10 and this will give you 20 by 10. Okay? Now you are knowing 10 से 20 के बीच में we have 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10, and one more I am writing, that is 15 by 10. This question is finished. Now we are discussing these 3 questions which are written in the form of simplification. First one is addition, and you are knowing addition cannot be completed again without LCM process if the denominator is different. Okay, so now it would be minus 48 plus 115. Now we will subtract this. Oh, sorry, right. 102 by 20. Now you will cancel this. 51 by 10. 5 whole, you can write it down 5 whole 1 by 10 also. That is also fine. 2 by 10. Beta, you have only chosen this place to sit. Hey, एक minute ना. Who is talking right now? Here this place is vacant. If you are not comfortable in sitting there, please change your place. Yes. Now second question was minus 90 by 8 into minus 160 by 3. Now you are knowing in multiplication we cross check. Cross check means you can cancel 3 ones are 3, 3 30s are, it will be cancelling now. 8 ones are and 8 twos are. This will get cancelled. Now in denominator nothing is left. In now minus and minus will give you here plus. 0 and 0 when you will multiply double 0 and 3 twos are 6. Answer would be 600 when you will multiply this. Now the last question which I gave you for the division. Division is not possible without multiplication. So we will simply have the reciprocal of the second number. This I have already taught yesterday. Minus 16 by 10 will remain same. Division will become multiplication and this will become minus 5 by 8. Now simple cancel it. 5 ones are 5 twos are 8 ones are 8 twos are 2 2 also cancelled. We have only minus minus which will give plus, and all together we will have as 1. So the answer would be plus 1. If you have to understand more, like you have to understand this one in a more better way, you can go for recording because I have already taught this yesterday. ठीक है, in a detailed way. ठीक है, तो अगर आपको कहीं पे भी लगता है कि मैम ने बहुत जल्दी पढ़ा दिया, so please go for recording today only. Now we have value based question. Let's understand what is asking in the question. It is telling Aditya traveled 2 by 3 kilometers to reach an accident place and then 1 whole 5 by 7 kilometers towards from there to a nearby hospital with the injured person for his treatment. How much total distance he traveled? Second, which value is depicted from Aditya act? Aditya, you were there for saving someone. So here there are two distances which were traveled by Aditya for reaching in accidental place. So this is a very simple question for simple addition. So write it down the numbers. 2 by 3 kilometers plus 1 whole 5 by 7 kilometers and add both and tell me the answer. I told you the distances covered by Aditya was 2 by 3 in kilometer and one more was 1 whole 5 by 7 in kilometer. So for reaching the accident place, he has covered two distances. So you will be simply adding them because it is asking to have the total distance. So पहले सबसे पहले क्या काम करेंगे? 2 by 3 will remain like this only. Plus is plus. Now this is written in improper fraction, mixed fraction. We will convert it improper. 1 7s are 7, 7 5 12. 12 by 7. Now fraction formula you can have it. LCM would be 21. Now it will give you 14. नीचे divide ऊपर multiply plus this will give you 36. Now tell me what you will get it after addition. 50 by 20. Now you can simply write it down this answer if you want. If you want to convert them into mixed, you can simply convert them into mixed as well. 21 twos are 42 and this is now 8. 2 whole 8 by 21 kilometer. Now it is asking which value is depicted from Aditya act. Now this you are knowing better. He is helpful, he is caring and he is responsible citizen. Okay? Yes. Now we are on more challenging question. Question number 1 is discussed here like minus 21 by 7 into minus 14 by 7 in bracket, then minus 8 by 45 into 15 by 16. In this question you are knowing in both the brackets the numbers are written in the form of multiplication. ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले अगर आपको ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करना है, इट मींस यू नीड टू सॉल्व द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओनली. एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन का पहला रूल होता है सॉल्व करते समय, यू डू क्रॉस चेक. यू डू क्रॉस चेक व्हाइल डूइंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन. यू डू क्रॉस चेक, है ना? देखो 7 and 21 3s are 7 and 14 2s are. Now when you will multiply 3 with 2 you will get it 6 and minus you will have it plus. So आप लिखो या ना लिखो that is fine. ठीक है, ये मिल गया आपको, पूरे ब्रैकेट से मिला 6. Now this minus I am putting as minus only. Now let's solve this bracket. 15 ones are 15 3s are 8 ones are and 8 2s are. Now you have this minus which will make this minus as plus. Now 1 with 1 you will have 1, 3 with 2 you will have 6. Now 6 is a whole number added with 1 by 6, answer would be 6 whole 1 by 6. ठीक है, you will have this question now. Question number 2 of this one only is, it is telling subtract the sum of, this was A. Now the B one is you have to take out the sum of minus 42 by 11 and 49 by 22, and you have to subtract this from 33 by 8 and minus 29 by 4. This will be the last question of today. Just understand this one only. Yes, सबसे पहले you will be solving both the bracket. ठीक है? Yes, सबसे पहले इन दोनों को solve करते हैं. इसमें यहाँ पर आपका LCM आएगा 22, which will give us here 84 plus it will give you here 49. ठीक है? From को as it is रहने देते हैं अभी. And where you will solve this side, LCM of 8 and 4, what do you expect? 8 will 8. ठीक है? So here it will be 1 multiply will be 33 and means plus, then you will divide this one, which will give you 2, and 29 2s are 58, है ना? In minus. Yes, 58. So this we have got it while solving this. Now let's solve this one. 4 में से 9 नहीं जाएगा, 14 में से 9 5, हाँ, and then 7 minus 4 it will give you 3, minus 35 by 22. This you have got from this step. ठीक है? Now you have to subtract this from. Now let's solve this one. 58 and 33. So 8 में से 3 you will have 5. 5 में से 3 you will have 2. And this is 25 by 8 in negative because the number was minus 58, which was greater. तो ये आ गया आपका लास्ट सॉल्यूशन पार्ट. अब इसमें बोला गया है कि आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सब्ट्रैक्ट क्या करना है? ये वाला पार्ट आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है इस वाले पार्ट से. तो विच नंबर विल कम फर्स्ट? minus 25 by 8. ठीक है? So let me solve minus 25 by 8 from the upper side and we'll finish this question. Minus 25 by 8 will come at first. Then you are doing subtraction. तो subtraction का मतलब negative sign, subtraction वाला. उसके बाद subtract क्या करना है बेटा? minus 35 by 22. तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा minus 35 by 22. आपको याद होगा जब हम अलजेब्रा पढ़ रहे थे तब भी मैंने आपसे कहा था जब हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं तो एक साइन सब्ट्रैक्शन का पहले से होता है, फिर अगर दूसरा नंबर नेगेटिव हो गया तो इसलिए हम क्या करते हैं उसको ब्रैकेट में रखते हैं ताकि फॉर हैविंग आवर सेफ साइड. ठीक है? अब देखो ये नेगेटिव लाइक अ डायरेक्टर मैम एंड देन दिस साइड दोनों को चेंज कर देगा. So this would be 25 by 8 and minus would give us plus, and this is 35 by 22. Now LCM and solve this. I am not going to tell you this. अब आप इसको solve कीजिए खुद से. minus 135 by 8. minus 275 plus 140 divided by 88. Okay, and solve करने के बाद answer minus 135 by 88 is the answer told by Saransh and Saksham. So thank you very much. That's all for today.